You know, the owner of the rental says she's never had this happen in her years of renting through Airbnb. And her biggest frustration now being, besides not being able to get the people out, the lack of support to get those renters out. The sign on the door says it all: no trespassing. If you try and enter, we will press charges for violation of expectation of privacy. This sign is on the front door of Fazana Rahman's Airbnb dorm rental. She owns it, but says she can't get access to it.
Now they're refusing to leave until there's an eviction order. I think they're just trying to gain time to stay there for free.
Because they haven't paid?
No.
This all started when her most recent guest did make a long-term rental reservation through Airbnb and checked in on October 25th. The guest did pay through Airbnb monthly, and you can see on the reservation details the checkout date was May 24th. When her cleaning lady went to clean the rental,
they answered the door and they said, "No, we haven't moved out." She said, "Should I come tomorrow?" And they said, "No, don't come back."
Farzana went to the rental, this time, she says, with police. The next morning, still not gone, and this handwritten no trespassing sign on the front door that states, "We will vacate the property when you filed the proper paperwork with the civil magistrate for an eviction, for we are legal residents of this home."
This is my place, and I'm counting on this income. My son is in college. I'm a single parent.
Farzana contacted Airbnb for help as she already had another long-term renter booked through Airbnb ready to move in. She says Airbnb has not been helpful.
They're sending me messages as, "Please get help for your safety and get whatever legal help you have to get them out."
I reached out to Airbnb several times. No one got back to me. Airbnb does have on their website this section devoted to things to consider before hosting monthly stays. Airbnb warns hosts who have guests who stay for a month or longer, you may not be able to remove a guest without going to court. Attorney Maya Davis with James Scott Farron says when guests stay longer than 90 days, it's typically considered a holdover tenant.
The longer they stay, the more rights they develop. So the quicker you can act and get them out of there, the better it is.
She suggests hosts' first step is to call police when a guest won't leave. And if police won't take action, you need to file with the courts right away.
You may have to file what we call the summary ejectment, which means that you want this person out, but you have to go through the court proceedings. So at that point, you have to give notice. You have to file and serve papers. You have to appear in court and get the court to grant that before you just remove someone from the property.
We did go to Fazana's rental. No one answered the door. I also left a message with the number listed on the sign. As for Fazana, she filed eviction paperwork with the court to try and get possession of her rental.
It's wasting my time. It's wasting my energy. It's stressing me out.
That would be a big stress. Now, the court date for eviction is scheduled for next week. We will be there and keep you posted on what happens. But, we had some video of when the cops did come there to try and remove them, and he basically said, "I'll go the next day." Well, the next day came and went, and they're still in there weeks later now. So this is tough because she's not getting any income.
Them writing that note to her, it just all seems so bold.
It is, we'll see what happens in court.
And so many people actually look to that, like she said, for extra income. She has a son in college. Yeah. So it's something to consider if you're trying to do that and go into real estate and have a short-term rental.
And she's worried about what's happening while they're in there, not paying rent. So she's hoping they don't do even more.
Big takeaways, though. If you see that a problem might be developing, talk to your lawyer. Get that stuff filed in a court of law as quickly as possible.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, Diane.